Elisha, look now. In the middle, baby, in the middle. Walk in the middle. Come on. Hala, naikindi. Put the candy back. In the pocket. Up, not so close to the thing. Daddy over there. Look at the waves. Oh. Carry on because you don't want to get wet. You don't want to get wet. Mama, hold the other hand. Look at that. Look at that. Joshua, there's no fish. Daddy, there's no fish in there. Elisha, look now. There's no fish on that waves. The only thing you can do is just use fishing pole if you want to try to catch something.
I tell you what, I'm going to run out to the end instead of us all. You want to go all the way to the end?
I don't know.
I'm going to run out to the end and see what I see.
Hey, why don't you, Uncle Tim, hold you, carry you, so we can go there faster. Oh, the lady.
You're fine, sir.
Let's see.
Ow.
Huh? Oh. A lot of them.
Wait. Maybe like this. You like this, Elisha?
Say yes.
You like this? You like this?
Very good. Inday. Inday. Smile.
Okay, that's good enough. There's a car up there. Here, I'm gonna hand baby back to mommy.
Good job, Elisa.
Wow,
You're gonna be
sweetie.
Wow.
Oh no, not the water, not the water.
Elisha!
Go back that way. Turn. We're going in the water. She drove us into the water. Grab the wheel.
Go to the left, to the right.
This way. Turn the wheel. This way.
I can't get a better.
It's so far into the water, I don't want to get stuck.
Just let her do it.
Oh.
She's going at it. She's doing
Oh
it.
no, the water!
Look at Elisha.
Get out of the ocean, Elisa.
Yeah, out of the ocean.
Put her on in the middle right there on the hard
Oh, they're where?
sand. So and then she'll go to the left. I bet.
I don't want to hit the dunes or anything either.
It's not gonna move.
Will, your hands off the wheel, John?
Yes, my hands are not touching. It is her.
Wow, Elisha, you're driving. Look at the road.
Oh, she's going back to the ocean.
Very funny.
Okay.
We're coming up on some people who got maybe
This
the best
baby like
first.
that. I'm gonna hand Alicia back to you, Crystal. You wanna go?